Hello and welcome. Okay, we're on video number 2 here. We're going to talk about sharing your post, but there's a couple things I want to make sure I get cover here with you real quick before you start sharing. The first thing is down here, if you're at your dashboard when you log in here, scroll down. You don't see this on mine, but you will find it on yours if you're brand new. You'll see a thing that says something about not allow search engines or allow search engines to find you, that kind of thing. You'll see something down there. Click on that, and that really, you'll check a box that allows the search engines to index your information, your blog, and start grabbing that information and that content. You want them to be able to find your blog, so make sure you check that box, and that's how that works. That's very important, so make sure you take care of that when you get a chance. All right. The other thing I want to point out is making sure that you put a bio or a little bit about yourself. You're going to click on Profile here on the buttons, Profile. It's going to take you to your profile area, and you can scroll down here. There's a couple different things you can do here, but I wouldn't mess with a lot of this. Right down here at the About Yourself area, you can see here if you're a WowY person, I put this in here just to make sure. You might want to do the same thing, and you can pause the video and read this and put it there if you want. The other thing is just kind of talk about yourself and make sure you put your contact information at the bottom. It's another way for people to get in touch with you, and if they like what you're talking about, you like your post, they're looking for an opportunity, maybe they're looking for more tools, that kind of thing. You want them to be able to get in touch with you, all right? And so put your phone number, email address, and I put emowernetworkanswers.com down here just because we do have a contact area, and if they do go there and you sent them there, or they, there's an area there they can put the, choose affiliate and put the name of the affiliate, we will get their information on to you so you can follow up with them. So that's where you can do that and put a little bit about yourself in that bio there. And that's going to show up actually right here. In each post, this is at the bottom about the author, right? So let's take a look here and go back here. Click on My Posts, or New Posts. And so we put all this information in here, right? We put, start blogging. Just like the last video here. I'm going to do this really quick. There's my information. There's my content there. I put the video here, the YouTube, remember that? The YouTube link. I'll show you what that looks like. Got the link to Emower Network Answers or whatever website you want to put it in. Put in there and make that link. Then we also got a little check. We're going to check that box for the Emower Network. Remember, you're sharing your information with a network of blogs. Yeah, it's great to be tied into the Emower Network. Tags, tag words that have to do with your actual post, and then you've got your featured image that you can add there too. Now, if you don't put a featured image in, the Emower symbol will show up instead. All right. So that's that. Let's go take a look. Real quick. Of course, when you're done, you'll click on Publish to publish that to your blog. All right. So let's go take a look and see what it looks like. All right. Let's take a peek. So here's my blog, right? And here's that blog post, Start Blogging, right? And when you click on it, it actually opens up the whole thing. You can see here, I've got the video here. Let me refresh this just so you can see what it looks like when you first open it up. So there's the blog. There it is. People see this. They can click play and watch the blog, or watch the video that I posted in the blog from here, right? So that's how you do that. Very simple. And you can see how this is really great, and the more you can do this, more pictures and things like that, just a lot more interactive. You can see here if I click this, opens up the Emower Network Answers website, right? People can go there, and again, there's that contact button right there that they can click on, and we can get their information that way as well. Okay, so here's where you can see on the side here, anyway, that you have several buttons here. Google Plus, these are like, people can like the actual post and then it'll post on their Facebook wall. Tweet. They can actually leave comments at the bottom, so you always want to tell them to please leave a comment. You can see I've got some comments here. And when they leave comments, it posts it on their actual Facebook wall, right? Right here, I'm going to go ahead and if I click on this, I've already done this already, but if you click on this, it'll actually take you or open up a little box. You can put your, put a little comment in there, and say something like, hey, take a look, leave a comment. Well, when you like that and post that, it'll go to your Facebook wall, and on your Facebook wall, okay, you can actually go here. Here it is, start blogging. Click on the share button right at the bottom of this post you just posted and shared on your Facebook wall. If you click on that, there's a window that pops up, and you can actually share this on in other groups, your friends' walls or timelines, your pages, that kind of thing. So let's say I want to do a group, and we have got a great group, Empower, okay, Empower Me Network. This is a closed group, but if you're an Empower Network person, blogging customer, affiliate, you can be part of this group, and we all just kind of team up and like each other's posts and share them and leave comments and stuff. So it's great. Get ideas, share ideas. If you click on share link, it's going to pop up over here, and I'll show you what that looks like. So let's say I shared it on to Empower Me Network, and here it is, right? And people can like it, leave comments. They can actually click on it and go through to my blog post if they click here, right? Takes them right to it. Here it is. So that's how you can quickly share it. And Google Plus is the same way. Little thing pops up, and you got to be logged in, of course, to Google Plus, just like logged into Facebook. You can tweet it and share it on Twitter with your followers. LinkedIn's another good one. You can just go ahead and go up here and copy this link, right, and paste it on your LinkedIn wall or whatever, and share it with your LinkedIn group. Pinterest is another one that I just discovered recently. And what's great about Pinterest is you can actually take this link, right, and pin it to your board. In fact, Pinterest has a little button you can install on your browser. So when you're at a website, you just click on pin it, and it'll pop up, and actually you can pick an image and pin it right to your board on your Pinterest wall there. And what's great about it is literally Pinterest are just images. You're pinning images that are connected to websites that have content, or maybe great for blogs, web, and other things that you like. You're sharing and pinning things you like, right? Well, those other people who are following you, or maybe friends and things like that, they can repin that. And really what everybody's doing is just sharing web content, right? Sharing websites and stuff like that. So this is a great way to get your blog or posts out there. So I've created categories for the different posts that I'm going to post on my blog. So if I post something about food, I have a little category for food. I'll share that post and pin that post in my food category on my Pinterest board. That way people who are following me, if they like that, if they like what I pinned up there, they can share that, repin that, but it's still connected to my blog. So everybody's sharing it because they like it. It's another great way to attract people and get people to come to your blog, read your posts. Again, remember, we're attracting people who are interested in what we're talking about, and it's attraction marketing, right? That's what it's all about. So that's that. Let's talk about one more thing, and then I'm going to let you go. I don't want this to be too long, but let's go back here, and we're going to go ahead and let me click out of this. Hang on a second. And we're going to go ahead and go down to, let's see here, exit easy mode. You can see right down here, exit easy mode. It's also up at the top right, exit easy mode. We'll click on that. Yes, I want to go to that page, or exit this easy mode page. Now this is the not easy mode, okay? And it's not that difficult really, but it's a little different, okay? You're going to find something here that you won't find on the easy mode, which is appearance. See this button to the left, appearance? You go over, all you got to do is hover over that, and it pops up. Okay, you go over here, go down to home photo, home photo. Click on that. This is where you're going to find the photo, okay? And you can upload your own photo. If you're just getting started, you have a picture of David Wood and his wife, okay? So if you want to change that and put your own image in there, you'll just click on browse, pick the image or the file on your computer, and then click on upload, and it will simply upload it with no issues, okay? You'll just upload it, it'll be fine. You can tilt it like I have, whatever you want to do to make it look better, or however you want to do that. but it's really simple to do. Okay, and then after that, it should show up right on your front page there at the top left of your site. And we'll take a, let me pull that up again here, and we'll take a peek at that real quick, just so you know what I'm talking about. Here we go. So here's my picture, right? So that's how that works. Now, the other thing you want to do, and you're probably wondering, how do you know, because these are two different pictures, by the way. You got this one, this is how you do it back here. You're in your back area here, you're uploading it, and it shows up right here at the top of your blog. But this picture right here, the author picture, right, which shows up here and then also shows up at the bottom of every post for your About Author area, okay? So how do you do that? Well, it's really simple. You go to Gravatar, okay, gravatar.com, and all you gotta do is put an email address in here. Once you put an email address in, they send you a confirmation email to make sure your email is real, legit, and all that good stuff. You'll confirm that, and then you'll put in your username and password. Use the same username and password you use for your Empower blog. Put that in there for this, and then you'll upload an image, and you'll have the thumbnail. It'll automatically put that image in there for your post for this area, okay? And it does take a little bit of time, so give it a few minutes, and then check back a little bit. It'll be there, I promise. Okay, that's how it works. And yeah, and that's how you do it. This is the next step on sharing it, getting that picture up there, doing your author stuff. If you'd like to know more and you want to watch some more videos, we are going to be posting, and we do have more videos on, you know, more technical stuff, and we'll talk a little bit more about what to think about when you're posting, all kinds of stuff. So make sure you take a look. We'll also be covering the video tools that we use. Remember, we're combining these amazing tools, the blogging platform and the system here, with the video email and the video autoresponder tools. And let me tell you, it's amazing. And so you want to start using these tools together, combine them, because the results are absolutely off the charts. Okay, off the charts. You'll love it. And you know, whatever business you're doing, whatever product you're promoting, you will be able to start marketing like a pro without the pro price. Okay, so if you're watching this video on the website EmpowerNetworkAnswers.com, there's a little button right above these videos that says Learn More. You can click on that. That will take you to another video, all right, where you can watch the next video and the next video and the next video. I hope these videos were helpful, and really just start blogging. You'll get better and better at it. Get things going. Start sharing these posts. You will have success, and we will see you at the top.